That now we will look at the download. If you see, we have download via form or download via sheet. And then if we press the download via form, you can go and select any of the list of values there. Like if you have a list of values, you can put a percentage, for example, to look at all the list of values that are present in that list of value. Let me do it again. And then you will see that there I have to see, depending on the reject ones that are still on the interface table. I could use any of the other list of values, or partially, or look at all the values that are there. Then in this case, I will download that specific batch. When I press download, that will download all the information on the spreadsheet. Then when the download is finished, we'll bring the data there. And that is one of the ways that I will do it. Another way to do it is to look for a specific parameter and put it there. If you see, for example, not always all the fields will be available for the download by sheet. In this case, will be only the ones on the batch. And then if I put the date, it's not going to work. For that, I will use the download via form, but the download via sheet, I can put the batch name and then use that for the download. Then the result will be similar to the one that I did previously on the other one.